What is my rapper gang? Rob Level here, your friend, your mentor. You know I got your back. Here's the thing, I don't know why I never made a video about this, but I actually live by this. I want to share this with you because it'll get so much anxiety off of you. Yes, it'll take so much weight off your chest. You'll be able to make more music. You'll be able to believe in yourself more. You'll probably have more money. You'll probably have a lot of things that you feel you don't have that are holding you back. And it's this simple thing, is that if you cannot control it, do not worry about it.
Y'all be entertained by bullshit.
Okay, I'm gonna say it again. If you cannot control it, something in your life you have no control over, don't think about it. Don't worry about it. The thought of worrying about something you can't control is not gonna do a damn thing for you, right? If you got a problem with something, right? Like, I need to think of some examples. Give me a second. Examples. Prime example. Look at my tooth. It's chipped. I look like a doofus. I look like the white Mike Tyson, you know what I'm saying? The great white Mike, you know what I'm saying? No. You know what I'm saying? So that's the thing. I can't control that my tooth chipped, and I still need to shoot these videos for you. Yes, sir. I don't care if anybody dislikes it. I don't care if somebody makes fun of me. It's fine. I'm making fun of myself. People love it, right? I don't care. It's gonna get fixed, and I can't control it until it's fixed. All I can do is set the dentist appointment and wait. That's all I can do. In between there, why am I gonna worry about it, right? I can't control it. I've done what I could do. Let it go. Bars. Right? A year and a half ago, so self-conscious, I wouldn't have left the damn house. Right? But right now, I know we got COVID too, so I can cover my face, but it wouldn't have mattered to me either way, you know, because when I go certain places, I still take my mask off, and then I make fun of it, you know? But if you can't control it, don't worry about it. It's not worth your energy. Here is a fantastic example. Let's say for one, police are corrupt. What can you do about it? You can't do shit. You can't do nothing about it. Stop talking about it, stop worrying about it. Politics. Somebody you don't like becomes the president. What you gonna do about it? What are you gonna do? What you gonna do? You gonna do shit. Shut up. Damn. Stop talking about it, stop worrying about it. Spend that energy on yourself. Somebody you don't like and your town blows up, the music blows up, you think that you deserve it more. You spend all your time and your energy mad that something happened to them. You can't control it. Stop worrying about it, right? Yeah. So you got a bill every month. The bill's $200. You got to pay that bill. Maybe it's student loans. Maybe it's, you know, a phone bill mixed with an electric bill, something like that. And people worry about this. They wish it didn't exist. They spend all the time and energy, you know, or at least pieces of their day spending energy on it, which eats at you even a little bit every day. And that adds up. If there's like 100 things, you know what I'm saying? Your whole day's gone. And I've been there. Ugh, went those years back. But if you're worrying about the fact that you have a bill, if you're worrying about anything in your life, anything, if you're worried about anything and you cannot actually directly make a change to it, really, if it's not internal, right? Or something that is directly aligned with you, if you can't change it, don't spend your mental energy on it. You're too smart, okay? You have too much potential to be spending your damn energy on that stuff. You have to cut these things out of the entire equation that can potentially slow you down. You just gotta not think about it. Hey, people like, Rob, you get so much done. How you run 6 companies, Rob? You know what? It's not that difficult when you think about it. You have to learn how to focus, and it's not you. Willpower is not going to sustain you. It's not willpower that's gonna do that when it comes to you actually making moves in any career. It's not willpower. I got the willpower to do this. I have the self-discipline. It's not even self-discipline, because if you don't train your reptilian brain, the robot brain, the primary programming that keeps you alive in survival mode, if you can't retrain that, which happens only through habit of training more of the subconscious. There's 3 brains, okay? If you have to train like the more of the subconscious one, then that happens through habit, through repetition of doing something, and then what happens is your robot brain, your reptilian brain takes on more of that programming, and it becomes automatic. And when I say that, you can do that with music creation. Do it every day, at the same time every day, okay? When do you mix the songs? Do it every Sunday. Don't miss a damn Sunday, right? Yes, sir! When you do these, you don't need willpower. You don't need self-discipline, because they're automated. Your brain has now attributed that to part of your survival because it's so day to day. I'm gonna make a whole nother video on that. But stop spending your energy in the wrong places. I'm gonna make a bunch of videos about how to actually stay productive, how you can actually get more things done, because that is the key. I've read over 650 books now. I'm used to saying 600, but I read so many damn books. Every one of these books that I've read, always but one's about habits. One of the books is called The Willpower Reservoir. It talks about how you do only have a finite amount of actual resources in your brain. They eat some sugar and it kind of goes up. It talks about how judges are more prone to actually giving harsher sentences before lunch, because earlier in the morning, all of their mental energy, the willpower reservoir is drained. But after lunch, people get lighter sentences. So by the way, if you're ever gonna go to court, try to be that person that happens right after lunch or right early in the morning, because he has the most mental energy, and he's not as lethargic and like, man, just put him in jail. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's a real thing.
Lord Jesus.
Okay, that's a real thing. So all of these books have combined in me. And even if I only get one little tidbit here and there, same thing with these videos, right? You watch all these videos, you get one little thing from this video from Rob, you get another video, and it starts making you better and better, right? That's the point. So I read all these books. If I get one little gold nugget, it was worth all that time because then I can apply it to my life. And if you take all those little nuggets, and they're all about focus and determination and accomplishing dreams and goals, you now have this huge hive, this nest of just things that you apply directly to your life, and you're unstoppable. That's why I read books. That's why you watch these videos, right?
Let's keep it real, man.
You just have to start implementing these things. But anyway, I'll make a whole nother video about that. Really, and I'll do it on the whiteboard. I've been wanting to use the whiteboard again. Gotta remember this. And I told myself this. I went to the dentist this morning and I had to lie there for like an hour, and I kept telling myself this: nothing is holding you back but you. Nothing is holding you back but you. I just kept, I'm like, damn, like I was saying to myself, not that anything ever told me to say that, but I'm like, damn, that's so true. And I was thinking, when I go home, I'm gonna shoot this video and tell them that if it's out of their control, don't worry about it. Because that's actually a huge, fundamental, huge piece of how I'm able to even get things done and how I got here today.
Yeah.
If I can't do anything about it, why? I don't care. Person cuts you off in traffic, what you gonna do? Be angry, flip them off? I wanna do that for a couple seconds, yeah, but then after that, what's the point? I can't control it. The person is gone. You know what I'm saying? Like somebody takes your parking spot, which actually just happened to me, and I was like, all right, well, I can't control it. So I did something smooth after that. I'm not gonna say what, but anyway, I was like, I can't control it. So then I like walked in, went in to Starbucks, and I waved like, cause they were like mad, cause I pulled up and they were in their Prius, and then they were gonna leave, they were about to leave, and then they stopped. They didn't leave because they knew that I was behind them waiting for the spot. And I'm like, you're an asshole. Like, who does that? You know what I'm saying? And then they just sat in the car until I parked my car. Then they left on purpose. But after I would walk by, and I was like they were so mad. I don't know. If you own a Prius, I'm sorry to offend you, but I don't know what's wrong with Prius drivers, man. I don't know. But I could have got upset about it, but I couldn't control it. I can't make that person leave the spot. Why am I going to expend my energy on that person? So I did what I could do, which was my smooth move. Went and did that. They didn't like that, right? Do what you can do. Do what's in your power. If you have no power in a place, what are you gonna do? You can't do anything. Stop worrying about it. Think about the places you do have power. Because when you have power, you can control something, right? Either way, hope this helps you out. Stop worrying about stuff, man. Stop it, all right? I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. Follow me at Rob_Level. I'm posting all the time on Instagram. It's really growing. I'm popping up everywhere. It's time, all right? So stop worrying about stuff you can't control. And keep hustling, gang. I'll see you at the top.
Pockets already fed, I ain't gotta fudge the numbers. Could've made it, then I put in 2 extra summers. So high up now, all I see is buses. I even step outside. We got a jumper. I ain't even had to type them up. Shooting for the biggest in the game. Out of 300, so small, I can't even try to be dumb. If I give you my numbers, probably missing a number. Oh, you wanna hate on me, we'll get in line. I'll be fine. People treating me like working hard a crime. Out of time, I'm like, why you even mind? You got no mind, do you mind? That's why love and trust in me so deep that shit get hard to find.